Welcome to the Clear Air Revolution. What was born in the imaginings of NASA scientists is now real. Air purification technology so advanced it doesn't use filters. And it's unlike anything that has ever before been made available to the public. We built it for one reason: to help you feel better. The genius of Airocide is in the way it works. It uses no filters or magic plates, and it doesn't trap organic particulate or molecules. Instead, Aerocide's unique nanotechnology destroys harmful pathogens at a molecular level. Best of all, unlike filters which can't remove the smallest, most harmful particulate, Aerocide oxidizes even the tiniest bioparticulates on contact. They simply cease to exist. Aerocide is proven science. It's been tested over the last 12 years by independent universities, laboratories, and governmental agencies. Aerocide is approved by the FDA. It removes airborne pathogens and volatile organic compounds. It's been used in operating and treatment rooms, intensive care units, and pediatric areas inside hospitals. Now it's available to clear the air in your home. We didn't just revolutionize air science, we changed the way it's delivered to you, designing it around two powerful catalytic reaction chambers built to achieve levels of air purification never before possible. All of this science lives inside an attractive, quiet, and incredibly powerful bioconversion unit designed with classic iconic lines, allowing it to be enjoyed in your home without intruding. We've taken special care to ensure that Aerocide is responsive to your needs by combining capacitive touch controls with photosensitive airspeed management, all intuitively controlled with just the simple touch of a finger. Aerocide is a breakthrough in science, in style, and most importantly, in the way it makes you feel. You never knew you could feel this good.